Hey, I'm going to show you how to create a tournament on A2M Sports right now. Just as a simple thing, just go to log into a2msports.com. Once you log in, you'll have an option to create, and you can just select create a tournament here, and it'll just go to a create tournament page. So where you select your tournament that you want to select, like sport type, like table tennis or tennis, it doesn't matter, right? Just select. I'm showing you a tennis tournament here, so it should be an individual tournament if it is not a team league. We're not doing a team league. Most of you guys are probably not doing a team league, so it'll be an individual. Bracket type, it doesn't matter really. Just select single elimination, or it could be a knockout. That's what some people call it, knockout. So you just give it a tournament title, showing a demo tournament, and these are not mandatory, so you don't need to worry about that one right now. So organizer name, just give some name, whoever is organizing it. You can just enter the start date, end date, all of these things. Just to enter those dates, you can put the times as well. I'm just, for the purposes of the demo, I'm just going to show you just the dates. I'm not going to select those things. Registrations opens today, assuming that that's what it is. So we just need to enter the numbers. We don't need to enter the slashes there. So we just put like 2020. That's when the registration opens, and the registration closes on 12/30 2020, December 30th. Actually, these are month date formats, so you might want to be careful with that one. Withdraw refund date, when can they withdraw? If people register but they don't want to play anymore, they can withdraw by so and so date. So that I'm giving him as 12/15/2020, right? So and then the venue, you just put your club name or the center wherever they're playing, and you just give the address and things like that. This is where you write the rules and descriptions. Details are here, right? Okay, you can write whatever you want in there. Details and rules if you want to add more details in a format, whatever. So this is the tricky part here, where you come to the events. You can select all different kind of events, amateurs, masters, whatever, and then you select beginners, intermediate, or things like that. And you can select singles or doubles or mixed doubles as well if you want to do it. Just for the purposes of it, I'm just going to show you singles only. So in age group, you can just select it adults or juniors, and then you can select men's only, boys only, or like women's, girls, and things like that. So if we just select this one, women's and women's, it will show you the events here based on whatever you selected here. It will going to show you all the events. So again, you don't have to select, you can select them all, or if you within this range you still want to remove some of those things, you just want to have women's singles, we just want to have one, like beginners, right? We just don't want to have women's singles intermediate and women's singles other events. So we just want to have men's singles in beginners and junior singles beginners. We just want to have junior singles intermediate. We don't want to have it junior singles intermediate boys. We don't want to have it. That's fine. We just remove that. So you'll have these list of events right now, and just say confirm and proceed. Once you confirm and proceed, you'll have more options. Again, all of these are not mandatory. That means they're all optional. You don't need to select anything, but it will give you options like limits. Like you want to select for each specific event that you selected, you want to limit the number of players, you can do that. All right, but you don't need to do anything there. If you want to add sponsors, it will ask you to upload an image or add links to that. Again, this is not mandatory. If you don't have sponsors, you don't need to worry about it. Event times, you want to specifically say what event is beginning at what time. You can also specifically there mention that one there. And you want to collect the fees, obviously without a merchant account you cannot collect the fees, so you just say no, and then it's visible to public by default all the time, so it just be leave it there. If you want to collect the t-shirt information, you select yes. If you don't want to, select no. When the players are registering, it will ask them if what their t-shirt size is, so you know if you want to give the t-shirts what t-shirt size to give to. Then click accept, and then click submit. I mean, accept the terms and conditions and click submit, and it will automatically create a demo tournament for you. All right, now it should be creating. Okay, so this is how you create a tournament. Once the tournament is created, you can see whatever the rules that you put it in here, it will be here. You can always go and edit the tournament details here if you want to, but it will show you the summary of events, like what all the events that we have, and it will show you once the players start registering, you'll show it. Because you are admin, you are seeing more options, but for players you will not see. So this is how the tournament is. And then because we didn't put that register registration start date as registrations opens on 11/28, we don't have that register button. But if you change the registration date, it will automatically show you the register button. We're going to show you that as well. We're just going to show that registration opens today. For example, if I, instead of 28, if I say 11/17, right, if we do that, it should automatically, once you click, go ahead and click update again here, just go all the way back here and then click update, right, and then it will show you the register now button. As a player, of course, you can go here to the register option, or of course they can also see that the same thing on the mobile app as well. So here I am not eligible for women's events because I'm a male, so I can only enter these two events, right? So that's how it is. And then once you select that one, it will ask you the t-shirt size, because we said, hey, I want a medium t-shirt, right? Then they can select this event, and then you click this one as a player and then click register, and your name will be there as a registered player, right? That should be pretty straightforward. So you can see the players registered as one for one of the events. You can see this one here. So that's how it is.